Thank you,
Madam
Secretary.
Chair, just a follow-up on one point on Senator Escudera's question.
Yes, Senator Julie.
If I may, on Mr. Ladyasan, ang sinabi niyo po, alas 6 ng umaga, alam niyo na ang tropa ng pamahalaan ang na-engage nitong MILF. Is that a correct recollection?
Opo, ang una po naming pagkakaalam, based sa aming information, is military po yung na-engage.
Whether military or police, pamahalaan.
Opo, sir.
Now, so nag-request ka ng ceasefire. Is that to the to your counterpart in the government peace panel or to whoever in the government?
I did not request po. Ang sinabi ko po sa kanila, Your Honor, is we will work out on the ceasefire as soon as possible and we will work together po.
All right. Now, did you make a similar request to the MILF commanders, knowing na gobyerno ang kaharap?
Yes, opo, sir. In fact, I relayed the instructions sa Darapanan, yung leadership po ng Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces na we have to ceasefire po. Ang problema po kasi sa situation sa ground, ang hirap na po yung close encounter, ang dami po kasi naging constraints. At ang situation po is parang self-defense at battle for survival po. Ang hirap po ng encounter po.
Did you say that you relayed instructions to the BIFF?
Sorry po, Your Honor, I meant po BIAF, the military structure of the MILF. AF.
BIAF, not
Opo,
BIFF.
Your Honor.
So,
I know.
in fact, you're saying now that there was also a request for a ceasefire on your end, but you could not implement it? Is that what you're saying?
To effect ho, ganun po dahil po sa ang hirap ng situation po sa ground, na close encounter at talaga po ang sabi po nga po nila nung commanders po sa area ang galing po nung ka-engage at hirap na hirap po din po sila.
I see. Is this a failure of the chain of command, if any, exists in the MILF?
Hindi po, sir. Buong puso po kami nagko-coordinate, nakikipagtulungan sa gobyerno sa simula pa po sa simula. At ang aming pong pwersa ay buong puso din po nagpatupad ng kanilang kooperasyon through the mechanism po ng GPH sa MILF sa CC6 sa the protocols. At sa lahat po ng ginawa po niyon ay wala po kaming engagement with the government at ang dami po naming mga successes sa ginawa pong ganong klaseng pagtutulungan po, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair.